Hello beautiful people, once again. I would like to go ahead and start off this video by saying that on this certain particular day, I did not necessarily eat like a whole heap of food. I did not eat a lot of food, and that is simply because I go based off of how I feel. And this was the day before I started a 3-day juice fast, 3-day liquid fast. So I didn't want to completely bombard my system and my stomach and my gut with so many different foods to digest before I went ahead and started this liquid fast.
I thought I put this in the freezer, but me put it in the fridge. So now I'm gonna have a very interesting smoothie. It's gonna be very interesting. But I froze 2 like ice cubes of vegan yogurt. It's this vegan yogurt right here, so yeah, let's go ahead and make that.
So for this particular smoothie, I'm actually using my juicer, the Kuvings Auto 10. It can make obviously cold pressed juices, but it can also make smoothies as you see me doing here. It keeps all the pulp and everything. It can also make nut milks and sorbets. Honestly, I have a blender, but don't necessarily need to use it all the time because this amazing juicer can make smoothies so quickly, and they're always so rich and creamy. Well, this one time I accidentally forgot to freeze the fruit, but I love using this juicer to make smoothies. If you're interested, link in bio for $70 off. After that delicious smoothie and my very bitter Jamaican guaco tea, I'm enjoying a nice cute little parfait with almond milk yogurt, completely dairy free by the way, some fruit, some nuts, some agave nectar, and some chia seeds. And this was very nourishing, very delicious, full of probiotics, great for gut health, and just great for me overall. It was very delicious and I really enjoyed it. Okay, hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another Ital Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. So recently I came back from a 3-month-long trip, and as you could see from the video beforehand, I did like a detox and a gut reset, and today is more of like a parasite cleanse type diet day. So a lot of the foods that I'm cooking and eating and everything and preparing today are specific for cleansing parasites out of the body. They're pretty alkaline foods, but I'm also excluding certain foods like apple and bananas and melons because those are not necessarily great for parasite cleansing. Come with me as I go downtown. I have to go to Whole Foods to fill up my jug of 5-gallon water. Let's go do that. I am kind of disgusted with myself. I'm such a stereotypical Jamaican. My friend told me to meet her at 12:30. I was like, yeah, see you at 12:30, Pookie. It's 12:35. I'm just now leaving the house. So after my friend and I met up for the first time after 3 months, absolutely crazy, we went to this vegan restaurant in downtown Atlanta near Pond City Market called Bar Vegan. Now, while everything here was vegan, plant-based, technically the options were really not that healthy, so I settled on a salad because I had to stay true to myself and stay true to what it is that I'm doing. After being gone for so long and not having access to, you know, my herbs, having access to my kitchen and my healing laboratory, I had to go ahead and just get that salad and really prepare my body for this upcoming fast that I will be doing, and you'll see in the next video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hi. Look at the melanin. Look at the melanin. Look at the melanin. After my friends and I spent that much needed time together, I went over to Whole Foods to refill my 5-gallon water, which literally costs like 39 cents per gallon. And then I had yet another cup of guaco tea.
DJ Khaled! Another one.
At this point, I'm craving some fruit, so I'm making a small, simple fruit salad with some very ripe and delicious papaya. It's also great for parasite cleansing, specifically the papaya seeds. I'm throwing in some pineapple as well as some blueberries too. To end off my day, I thought I was gonna do some big, elaborate, huge meal, and like I said earlier in the video, today is just one of those days where I did not feel like following the standard American diet. I just did not feel like eating a whole bunch of protein and a whole bunch of carbs and everything just to say that I ate all that. So today is a light day. It's not usually always this light, but that's okay. So I enjoyed a very protein-rich and alkaline chickpea scramble. If you're interested in the recipe, link is in bio. This is great for people who want an egg alternative. It is a bit more doughy and floury compared to regular eggs because obviously it's made with chickpea flour, but this is really delicious and it really helped me end off this amazing day in an amazing way. That rhymes. So yeah, all recipes and everything will be linked in bio, and make sure you tune in for my next video because I will be showing you my results of my 3-day liquid fast. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you for being here with me.